Hello viewers, I hope you are all well. Today we will teach you how to tie a surgeon's knot, which is called one finger surgeon's hand, not before that if you are new to our channel. Then subscribe to our channel and learn such new techniques and improve your skills. Let's start. First, hold the suture thread in your dominant hand with your thumb and middle finger, then slide the same suture thread with your index finger to the other side of the suture thread. Then slide the suture thread held between your thumb and middle finger with your index finger and tie the knot. Then release the suture thread held between your thumb and middle finger and hold it with your index finger and middle finger. Then push the knot from index finger towards ligation or approximation site. Thank you for watching.